And leave it there for a second. Go ahead and talk about concatenation one more time so that you can show that plus and the equals, those two literals that you were concatenating, why you did it, because now it'll be easier to see.
Yeah. So you just want me to replace this with something
Yeah.
else? So yeah, this is basically nord blah blah.
Well, might as well just put hamburger in there, but
Hey, it probably doesn't care what I put into it. I just wanted to point out that those plus and equal signs weren't actually some expression that I was evaluating. They were just string literals, and I can place anything that I want into those string literals. These pluses, on the other hand, are significant, and they're significant because they appear outside of the quotes. But anyway, so that was basically what we were going
yeah.
for. Okay, so we have a basic program that does something interesting. This is the first example of actually performing arithmetic on input that has been received from the user, and is something that people will be doing a lot of if you decide to pursue programming. So I wanted to give a quick rundown of this. I'll walk through the code one more time,
Now,
and then we'll back up and look at some different types, if
now,
that's okay.
even though we're not going to get into this at the moment, Nelson, this program is not a flawless application, correct? Let's say that you
No.
were commissioned to actually write this incredibly complex program here. You would not want to hand this off to your client as a completed bug-free app, correct?
Well, it depends on how much they paid me. So yeah, just for sake of completeness, in case somebody does, and I encourage people to, if they're able to, type this along. But if somebody does and they say, well, I wonder what happens if I do this and hit enter. And if that's the first thought that you had, you should probably be a tester, because that's the kind of thinking that you should have when testing programs, is how to break it. So if I type in a string and hit enter, look at that. And this could be absolutely ridiculously, insanely terrifying to people.